Hello guys, good morning. Maayong buntag. Welcome to my channel, Alice Kaingkoy guys. This video guys, ako'y ipakita ninyong video about kuan siya, usan siya ka lawyer, Arabo nga lawyer nga nag TikTok din iyang mga content about mga rules, regulation sa mga worker or anything. Karon ang iyahang gi explain is the rules about sa mga kadama or mga domestic helpers sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, kung ano ang mga karapatan sa mga katulong, kung ano yung mga dapat nilang matanggap, mga ganun. Kasi merong mga rules sa iba't ibang country, kung ano yung mga dapat mong malaman or yung mga karapatan mo bilang isang kasambahay or katulong or kadama. Okay guys, ako ipakita inyo ang video.
For the domestic helper rights, the question keep repeating, and people wants to know and understand the domestic helper right. As we mentioned before, law number 10 2017 is very clear. The domestic helper have all the rights of keeping the official documents, gratuity, leave salary for 1 month, a ticket after leaving the employer or going for vacation, and 1 day off, and not exceeding the 9 hours, 10 hours working, unless if there's something as an emergency, but then they will compensate the domestic helper. These rights are mentioned in the law very clearly. Anyone can go to the law and read it. The law is available on Google on Arabic and English. Law number 10 2017. The domestic helper have many categories: gardener, driver, housemaid, you have caregiver. All of these, whatever mentioned in the classification, they come under the domestic helper law. Speaking about the right for the domestic helper as a nanny, housemaid, keeping the official document is something very obvious. The worker should keep his official documents, Emirates ID, in case they go out. They need to, as I said, withdraw money from the bank, transfer money, buy a SIM card. All of these rights belongs to the domestic helper. And for the other rights, like when someone goes for vacation, they deserve a ticket. They deserve the 30 days annual leave every year. They deserve the right to have rest in the home. They deserve to have the medical care and the decent dress. And the end of the service, when they leave the service, they deserve the gratuity. So I urge and advise all the employers to look at these rights, to look them and read the law and check by themselves if they are entitled to these rights or no. These rights are mentioned long time ago, without any amendment of the law. It is an obvious rights. These rights are known globally, as many laws similarities about the same rules, that the worker has to have the right to traveling expenses, which means the ticket, the annual leave, the 1 month resting time, the resting day time, the off day. Therefore, the law is clear. All these rights needs to be given. There is no exception. All the employers go read the law and check them for the good understanding of these rules. Thank you very much for watching. Like and comment and share. Thank you very much.
Ayan guys, yan yung video sa isang lawyer na nagsasabi sa mga rights ng katulong ng kadama or mga ibang manggagawa, katulad na lang ng mga cleaner, ng mga driver, ng mga ganyan. Yan yung mga rights na dapat nating malaman or hindi natin ibaliwala, sayang naman. Guys, thank you for watching and God bless. Sana matapang kayong magsabi sa mga amo nyo. Bye bye.